This is some construction workers in Dubai here, and there we go. Here's the first shovel, or the second one. Oh, he's doing two now. Three. Oh, he's dropped it. He's dropped it. There you are. So get it back up. You need for a while now. Calm down. He says to the one waiting. I'll get you loaded in a moment. Got it loaded. There we are. Let's have a sit down now. There we are, sit down. So we've got one loaded wheelbarrow, 4 guys hanging around. Here comes the third wheelbarrow now. At great pace. Very keen, very eager to get there. Oh, let's just throw the wheelbarrow down. Not overly hot here today. There we go. This has been the order of play all morning. There you are. It's not overly hot, really. There you are. Can't watch this any longer.